Oh my goodness. It's so freaking good, you guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell at Just Me and Keto for more keto product reviews, recipes, and updated videos. Start with fresh and washed strawberries. Cut those up. Put your sweet butter lettuce mix in a to-go bowl. I like these to go because I'll be taking it to lunch for today. I completely forgot to show you guys this in the video, but I'm sure you guys know how to put the lettuce in a bowl. Add in your mozzarella cheese. Chop up some sugar-free chocolate-covered pretzels or vanilla and add this to your salad mix. Next, add in your cream cheese. Some people like blue cheese. Some people like feta cheese. So whatever cheese you like, I absolutely love cream cheese in this recipe. That's why I call it the Whatha salad, okay? Because it's just some stuff that I put together and it tastes absolutely delicious. You can add in the dressing if you like, or you can leave it off until you actually get ready to eat it. I'm using French dressing. I love the savory taste of French dressing with the strawberries and the cream cheese. It's so good. And the pretzels, please try it. Or you could also use a vinaigrette. It's completely up to you, but look at this salad, you guys. It's so good. It's so filling. I'll probably only eat half of this because it makes so much. Okay, so we're gonna get this a try really quick. How good that looks. Oh my goodness. And I know a lot of people are gonna say, oh, you should use a vinaigrette, blah, blah, blah. But I'm a French type person, so I'm using French dressing. Oh my goodness. It's so freaking good, you guys. I mean, delicious. You got a little strawberry with our French dressing. We got our lettuce pack, the sweet version, and of course cream cheese, and it's so good.